Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So on today's episode, we're going to be making a hot appetizer. It's going to be baked garlic butter mussels. So this is an awesome dish to serve at your next party as a great warm type of an appetizer. So we're going to be putting these together and baking them in the oven. So I'll show you how everything goes like always. So let's start with the ingredients. So what you're going to need is, of course, the mussels. So these mussels already came in an open shell. So they come in halves like this, already opened up and cleaned out for you. They come in a freezer box. They are from New Zealand. So you just open up the box, just let them unfreeze a little bit, and then you just place them on your tray or in the baking tray. You're also going to need some garlic butter. So this is the one I buy. So garlic butter by Lactantia. Also, some cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese, really any cheese you like to sprinkle over your mussels, as well as we're going to need some dill. And that's all the ingredients that you actually need. So like I said, this is very quick to prepare. It cooks really fast, but it's an interesting dish. So let me show you how to put it together. So of course, like I said, the mussels are ready. So let's just shred the cheese and cut the dill. So you just want to finely chop the dill and just grate your cheese on like a medium-sized grater. So let's do that. Okay, so I have chopped the dill, so now let's just grate your cheese. So I have grated the cheese and opened up the butter. So let me show you and tell you how to cook these. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your butter and use a butter knife. Of course, you want to take out your butter from the fridge a little bit ahead of time, so it warms up a little bit, so it's softer to cut. And you're just going to cut pretty thin slices. And you're just going to put one slice on each mussel. So let's do that first. So this is how your mussels are going to look before you place them in the oven. Just like this, you're going to place it into the oven. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake them for 15 minutes. After which you're going to pull them out and add some cheddar cheese. And then you're going to bake for 5 more minutes. You can increase the heat to 400 for 5 minutes. Or I'm just actually going to keep it at 350 for the next 5 or 8 minutes. And after about 20 to 23 minutes, it will be completely ready. So also I should mention that at this stage, before you place them in the oven, if you wanted to, you can also add some white wine in each shell, just a little bit, like a half tablespoon or so. If you want to go that way, it adds some nice kick. But today we're just going to make these non-alcoholic. So that's it. So we're going to place these in the oven, and once they're completely finished, I'll show you the final product. After 20 minutes baking total, so 15 minutes without cheese, and then I baked at the same temperature, 350, for 5 more minutes just to melt the cheese. So now it's ready, so let's see up close. So these are mussels baked with garlic butter, cheddar cheese, and just served with some dill. So here it is. So this is an awesome appetizer that you can make for your guests, or a fancy kind of a side dish you can have maybe with some wine or champagne as like a Friday or Saturday kind of weekend deal. Also, this is nice to serve with just some lemon slices, so people can spray some lemon juice on top of these mussels. It tastes really good with the fresh lemon. So I hope you try out these mussels. I hope you enjoy them. And if you like recipes like this, please comment or give me a thumbs up so I can see that you enjoy kind of more interesting, maybe not so common dishes, and I'll make more for you. And thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Thank you. Bye.